Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So this is our reading for air sign Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Take only what resonates, guys. Hindi to magre-resonate sa lahat kasi normal 'yon. Hindi ko talaga makukuha lahat ng energy ng air sign sa mundo. So anyway, kung hindi ka nakaka-relate, okay lang 'yon. May mga next readings pa naman. Kung gusto mo, pwede ka magpa-personal reading, Jing Tarot Trader. By the way, si Jing Tarot Trader sa December 23, birthday ng kanyang asawa. So, pag tuwing birthday kasi nila, pumunta sila sa orphanage, nagpapakain sila ng mga bata sa bahay ampunan. So, kung gusto mong makiisa sa kanila, makipag-communicate or connect ka na lang sa kanila through Facebook, through Messenger. Ayan. Pwede ka rin magpaabot, mag-donate kung gusto mo para mapasaya naman yung mga batang nasa ampunan. Anyway, this is for air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. O, this is you, air sign. Ace of Swords. Three of Cups. Queen of Cups. Two of Swords. Page of Coins. O, nakakakita ako ng celebration dito. The sun. Wow. A lot of happiness is coming. Nakakita ako ng mautak ka talaga eh. Alam mo yon, magaling ka talaga eh. Whatever is in your mind, whatever this thing na ginagawa mo ngayon, pagkakaperahan mo talaga yan. Okay? You are a creative person. Matalino, creative. Kung paano ka magdesisyon, yung iba sa inyo, kahit napakalaki ng problema, napakabilis mong magdesisyon. Magaling ka mag-organize, you know, and maybe you are born a leader. Okay? Okay. With the Six of Coins, meron ka mga tutulungan or mga ibibigay. Especially, it's Christmas season. Marami ka mabibigyan talaga ngayon ng ngiti. Ng saya. I mean, compare ng mga nakaraang taon, this year for you is different. Marami ka mapapasaya. Mas marami kumpara nung nakaraan. Yeah. I feel like there's this Queen of Cups and I feel like may dadating sa buhay mo. And I feel like or maybe dumating na siya. This is a person na pwedeng na-meet mo or nakilala mo or makikilala mo pa lang kasi ng iba hindi pa nangyari, ano? Sa party or some kind of celebration, okasyon, and there's this news mula dito sa taong ito na pwedeng pagkakakitaan. And I feel like definitely may pera talaga dito. You have to focus on what this person is about to reveal to you, kung ano man sasabihin niya. Kasi talagang I can see a lot of money here. Malaking pagbabago ang mangyayari sa'yo, sa health mo, sa itsura mo, because of this person. I mean, yung kikitain mo mula sa kanya ay malaki ang maitutulong sa'yo. So, definitely, you have to focus doon sa sinabi niya. Okay? Or sasabihin niya kung hindi pa nasasabi sa'yo ito. Okay? It's something na kailangan mo pagtuunan talaga ng pansin. Now, pagdating sa love, what are messages for love? For the sign of air sign, for the sign of air sign, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. For the sign of air sign, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. For the sign of air sign, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. Okay, one more card. Thank you, Spirit Guides, Angel Guides. Okay, for your person, or for love, messages for love. There's the Six of Roses. Okay. Knight of Flutes. Seven of Flutes. Three more cards. You do have here number 10. It says Destiny. Nine of Roses. And one more card. For some of you, this could be a new person. For some of you, it's an old person or a past person. For some of you, it's a twin flame connection. May nakikita ako ditong, for some of you, a new person is coming. Yung iba sa inyo na nag-expect sa past, possible reconciliation with the past. Medyo magiging challenging kasi I feel like may mga kailangan i-cut off or may mga kailangan ayusin, tanggalin. Maybe may mga, I can see this time, if the past is coming back, ang daming past energy Kung babalik itong past na ito, hindi lang ikaw yung mamimit niya. Okay? Maybe mamimit niya yung parents mo, mamimit niya yung mga friends mo, and etc. A new person, for some of you, a new person is coming. And may mga new beginnings dito Maybe new business. And makakasama mo itong taong ito. Like, yung pag-meet ninyo ng new person na ito is not just a meeting, but something na may plano regarding the future. Kahit hindi pa masyadong matagal yung connection, magiging matagal yung, or magiging makabuluhan yung pag-meet, yung pagkikita, and yung pag-uusap ninyo. And eventually, it would lead into a happy connection. Okay? I can see stability for the both of you. I'm seeing here, for some of you, sa past person, there's a single energy. Single mom, single dad energy. Nababalik. Pero, it doesn't matter. What matter here is that kung ano man yung bubuin ninyo, same din ang energy New person, past person, may bubuin dito na something na bago. Like a new business. Like something na may magkakaroon talaga ng growth. Alam mo yon, mag-grow talaga. Maybe investment, partnership, etc. So, what will be the outcome for you? Ano ang outcome for air sign? Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Ano ang outcome? Spirit Guides, Angel Guides. Outcome. One last shuffle. Ano ang outcome? Okay, ang outcome sa'yo is the Nine of Cups. Oh, wow. That's Page of Swords. A lot of money is coming. I told you, success is coming. Kasama tong taong to, no? Magiging successful ka kasama itong taong to. Whether this is a past person or a new person. Yeah, the Wheel of Fortune, mababago yung buhay mo. This is bagong buhay or bagong the Ten of Swords sincere. Something is going to end in your life. Pero masaya ka na mag-i-end ito dahil sabi ko nga, this would lead into an ending na may bagong beginning na magiging masaya. King of Swords. Yeah, I can see an ending of. Why do I feel like yung iba sa inyo, this is another relationship or a relationship in the past? If you're single, so totally pwedeng yung expectations mo sa kanya ay mawala na, matapos na. Yung iba naman ang mag-i-end dito, maybe another connection or relationship na nagpapainis or nagpapagulo lang sa'yo, nagpapagulo. Magiging excited ka talaga dito sa person na ito eh. Okay? A lot of people will judge you. I-judge ka. Maybe because hindi lahat ay masaya sa connection na ito. But anyway, pagdating sa money, wala kang kailangan problemahin. I can see a lot of money coming. I can see a lot of the Eight of Coins. This is you in the near future being busy with your finances. Busy. Bakit ka magiging busy? Kasi malaki ang pagbabago lalo na pagdating sa finances mo. Nag-take ka ng risk. Nakakita tayo na take ka ng risk. And then, itong risk na ito ay magbubunga ng malaki sa'yo. I can see a lot of money coming. Wala na silang magagawa. Page of Swords. You are born a risk taker. And tuloy-tuloy yung pagiging risk taker mo. Kung ang iba natatakot, tahakin yung mga landas na tinahak mo. Ikaw wala kang takot na hinarap yung mga yon. And then, I can see another pagte-take ng risk na naman na gagawin mo na magbubunga na naman ng malaki sa'yo. So, I can see a lot of success for you. Successful ka na sa ganito, tapos another, maybe a line of business or a line of career ang magiging successful din sa'yo. So, it's like triple success ang nakikita natin for you. Not only triple, maybe 4 times success, 5 times success pa, or even more. Ang ganda, guys, pagdating sa money, wala akong masabi. Pagdating sa love, wala tayong nagiging problema kasi ginagamit mo yung pakiramdam mo, yung intuition mo. If you feel like yung tao ay hindi dapat pagkatiwalaan, hindi pagkakatiwalaan yon. If you feel like yung taong ito dapat nang i-let go, dapat mo nang i-let go, nile-let go mo na yon. If you feel like itong taong ito ay dapat i-welcome sa buhay mo, wini-welcome mo yon. All in all, ginagamit mo yung guidance para sa'yo. Maybe not only by the tarot readers, guide sa'yo ng mga tarot readers, but also yung intuition mo mismo, yung guidance mo mismo. Diba? Angel numbers lagi nagpapakita sa'yo and you are following what is the guidance for you there sa angel numbers na yun. I really do love it. No? And kung may tao man na I feel like this is another person. Sabi ko nga possible may ending eh. Pero magiging masaya ang ending. Kasi this would lead into a new beginning na masaya. And mas magbe-benefit ka. So anyway, thank you for watching. Hopefully nakarelate ka, nakaresonate ka sa reading na to. Please do like and subscribe to our channel, Unicorn Princess Tarot. Madam P TV, Virgo, Philippines, Tapit Hapon TV, Water Sign, Philippines, Madam P Vlogs, Libra, Philippines. I love you all guys. Thank you for watching and bye-bye.